All right, let's jump right in. We're going to tackle a massive question today. In a digital world that's getting louder and more crowded every single day, how do you build an online brand that people actually trust and want to listen to? We're going to walk through the exact blueprint for that.
And that's really the big question, right? It's not just about getting noticed anymore. It's about being seen as someone who's credible, an authority, the go-to person in your space. So how on earth do we do that? Well, luckily there's a blueprint.
So here's our game plan for today. We're going to start with the why. Why is this even so critical? Then we'll lay the foundation piece by piece. After that, we'll fire up the engine, your content, and talk about building your online home. And then we'll connect all that hard work to actually making an income. And, most importantly, we'll finish with your very first step.
Okay, first things first. Why should you even bother with all this brand building stuff? Well, the simple truth is, in today's world, a strong brand isn't just a nice to have. It's essential. It's what cuts through all the noise. It's what makes you the signal, not the static. And it becomes a magnet for the right people.
So, to build that magnet, where do we start? Well, like any good structure, it all starts with the foundation. And let's be super clear, this goes way, way deeper than just a cool logo or a catchy name. This is about defining the very soul of your brand.
And that's what we call your brand identity. You can think of it as your North Star. It's this powerful mix of your mission, what you're actually trying to accomplish, your values, the things you stand for, and the unique story that only you can tell. It really just answers two questions. Who are you, and who are you here to serve? And this quote just hits the nail on the head. People don't connect with corporate speak or slick taglines. They connect with real human stories. Your journey, your challenges, what you believe in. That's what creates an actual connection.
So these are the pillars holding it all up. Your mission, your audience, your story. But you know what the glue is that holds it all together? Consistency. Your visuals, your colors, the way you talk and write, it has to feel like you, everywhere, every single time. That's how you become instantly recognizable. All right, foundation is set. It's time to fire up the engine. And the engine that drives every single great brand forward is valuable content. This is how you stop just talking at people online and start building real trust and credibility. Now, here is the golden rule of content. Seriously, if you remember one thing, remember this. It's not about you. It's about them. Every blog post, every video, every tweet, it should be a direct answer to a question your audience has, or a solution to a problem they're dealing with. That's how you earn trust.
Let's make this super practical. Imagine a fitness brand we'll call FitMind Body. They don't just post workout selfies, no. They figure out the real pain points, like how do I start exercising from home without any equipment? Then they create genuinely helpful stuff, like a guide to a balanced diet or workout tutorials you can actually follow. And from there, they build a real community. See how that works? It's all about service.
Okay, so you're creating all this awesome, valuable content. But where does it all live? That brings us to your online presence, the digital real estate where your brand comes to life. Think of your website as your central hub, kind of like the heart of your entire online world. It's the one piece of the internet you completely own and control. It needs to be clean, easy to navigate, and set up so people can actually find you when they're searching. So if your website is the hub, then social media is your megaphone. This is where you amplify your message. It's where you have real conversations, answer DMs, and build that genuine community we keep talking about. It's where you show up as a person. But when someone finds you for the very first time, they're always asking one silent question. Can I actually trust this person? The answer to that question is social proof. We're talking reviews, testimonials, case studies, anything that shows a new visitor that other people have trusted you and gotten value. It just makes it so much easier for them to trust you too. So, once you've put in the work, once you've built that foundation of trust and established yourself as an authority, well, monetization becomes this natural, easy next step. Why? Because people are just so much more likely to buy from someone they already see as a credible, helpful leader. Let's go back to our FitMind Body example one last time. Notice how they don't start by asking for your credit card. No way. They start by offering a free guide to build an email list. Then they keep providing value on that list. Only then do they introduce paid products, like a course or personalized coaching. It's a ladder of value, and they guide you up it one step at a time.
Whew, okay.
We have covered a lot of ground, from your core identity all the way to earning an income. So, what now? It's time to take this big blueprint and focus on the one thing that matters most, your very first step.
If you only take away one thing from all of this, let it be this formula right here. Be authentic, be yourself. Relentlessly provide value, help people, and be consistent. Show up over and over again. This is the simple, but not easy, secret to building a brand that actually lasts.
So we'll leave you with this question. Every single great brand is built on top of a great story. So, what will yours be?